Alright, Harry, how you feeling, buddy?
Okay, this is where we lost our first GoPro.
He's like bad at it, but still in the watch.
Oh no, it was Dad's doing.
I only remember Grant. He was just sliding and playing around, and me just trying to stay with them.
It's a new day, new vibes. I'ma elevate my life. I was patient, but now it's time to take off and leave old habits behind. It's in the past like yesterday, and today is a new day. So I'm about to take off like a spaceship. Yeah, watch me take off like a spaceship. Yeah. Welcome to my life. Some call it the fly life, cause I wake up in the skylight. First class, boarding pass, taking off, headed to new heights. I shine bright like the summertime. Look me in my eyes, I'm one of a kind. Haters watching moves, trying to fly what I flew, but they can't cause their wings wanna send mine. I'm grinding, knowing I'll have a good life. In Indonesia, planning, watching the sunrise. That's right to left, while these checks coming left to right. 100K, some slight, yeah, I just might take 60 out of that just to invest more. Remaining 40, catch me somewhere in the best stores. See, I know I'll have it all cause we deserve more. That's my reason for getting to it every 20 minutes.
Alright, well we've arrived, and I hope I can live through this.
think that I'm finally ready. The water is up to our hips. Been treading red here for just so long. I think that I found myself drowning in it. I've never been too good at starting, but I'll take the wheel. I'm tired of waiting till midnight, just standing and pressing these walls up against both our heels. Speed it up now, and let's just pretend like this night won't end it. If this is how we feel, I cut out the trends like you do your friends. No, we don't need them, just help me suspend my thoughts until there's something I can feel. I'll take another hit, my dear. Slow, I'm talking about your atmosphere. This feeling's in between my ears. I never could dance, but there's nobody here. I think I wanna stay this way, babe. Wouldn't it just be a shame? Beneath the weight I'm endless brave. So baila conmigo, escúchame. It's getting too heavy. Watch vodka reflect off your lips. I can't help but acting a little bit different when I see you standing there moving your hips like you make the room spinning till I fall back to you. So when I do, can we just move how we move when there's nobody watching? I shake up the room, say quick. I'll take another hit, my dear. Slow, I'm talking about your atmosphere. This feeling's in between my ears. I never could dance, but there's nobody here. I think I wanna stay this way, babe. Wouldn't it just be a shame? Beneath the weight I'm endless brave. So baila conmigo, escúchame. This feeling's in between my ears. I never get dance, but there's nobody here.
We're gonna do it right, do it right. We're gonna touch the sky until the end of time, end of time. We're gonna let it fly, let it fly.
Let it slide, let my wings go high. Let it slide, take them on the ride. Let it slide, I don't even try. Let it slide, let it slide. We're gonna do it right, do it right. We're gonna touch the sky until the end of time, end of time. We're gonna let it fly, let it fly. Let it slide, let my wings go high. Let it slide, take them on the ride. Let it slide, I don't even try. Let it slide, let it slide. We're gonna do it right, do it right. We're gonna touch the sky until the end of time, end of time. We're gonna let it fly, let it fly.
Yeah, the hand holds your breath. of 7 who decided to travel the world 1 month at a time in order to redefine our life and find a new way of living. Now, we're the 7 Wayfinders. Chris, Leslie, Lucy, Grant, Lincoln, Harrison, and Grace. We're redefining our life across work, play, home, learning, and love. We hope to expand our horizons, make new friends, and eventually find our way home.